How to get sales on Shopify. Launching a Shopify store is just the first step. The real challenge lies in driving traffic and converting visitors into paying customers. Here are some proven strategies to help you get sales on your Shopify store. 1. Optimize for search engines, SEO. Ensure your product pages are optimized with relevant keywords, compelling descriptions, and high-quality images to improve visibility in search engine results. Implement on-page SEO best practices, build backlinks, and create valuable content, e.g., blog posts, guides, to attract organic traffic. 2. Leverage social media. Establish a strong social media presence on platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. Share engaging content, run targeted ads, and collaborate with influencers to reach your target audience and drive traffic to your store. Social media can also be a powerful tool for building brand awareness and fostering customer relationships. 3. Implement email marketing. Build an email list and nurture your subscribers with targeted campaigns, promotional offers, and valuable content. Automated email flows, such as abandoned cart reminders and post-purchase follow-ups, can help recover lost sales and encourage repeat purchases. 4. Offer incentives and promotions. Incentives like discounts, free shipping, or bundled offers can be powerful motivators for customers to make a purchase. Consider running limited-time promotions or offering exclusive deals to your email subscribers or social media followers to create a sense of urgency and drive conversions. 5. Prioritize customer experience. Provide exceptional customer service, streamline the checkout process, and ensure your store is mobile-friendly and easy to navigate. Positive customer experiences can lead to repeat business, positive reviews, and word-of-mouth referrals, all of which can contribute to increased sales. 6. Continuously analyze and optimize. Regularly review your store's performance metrics, such as traffic sources, conversion rates, and customer behavior data. Use this information to identify areas for improvement, test different strategies, and continuously optimize your store for better results. Getting sales on Shopify requires a combination of effective marketing strategies, a user-friendly shopping experience, and a commitment to continuous improvement. By implementing these tactics and staying up to date with industry best practices, you can drive traffic, convert visitors, and achieve long-term success on the Shopify platform.